This morning we're going to do some troubleshooting on this Juki. One of our guys told me that this thing has not been operating properly. Says making a funny noise or something. I'm not sure if maybe the clutch tripped up or what happened, so we're just kind of try to wing it and see if we can figure out what's going on with it. So let's turn it on. Mainly we're going to just be listening for the sound. He told me, what did he tell me? He told me that he oiled it, which is here. Also, since we're thinking about the oil on this particular machine, you oil mainly up here on top, but also you oil the bottom half down here. There's a place to oil, and there's a low mark and a high mark, and the oil needs to be somewhere in between there. So it looks to me like it is actually low on oil. So we're going to go ahead and take this little plastic doohickey off right here, and we're just going to fill this up. Alright, I can see it now. And it wasn't actually that low. This is a good thing to check. I don't know. I check this a few times a year. I should probably be checking it once a month. Depends how much sewing you're doing. So. We got plenty of oil. Let's give it a run and see what this guy's talking about. Double check, make sure the thing's threaded properly. Looks like it is. Sometimes when these monofilament spools get to the end of the spool, the thread will catch on this part right here, and it'll get held up, and then the top thread will either break or get stretched out. That can be, sometimes that's a problem. It looks like this spool is getting close to the end. Normally I just give a tug on that and you can tell. I don't know, sounds good to me. Video's over.